guys? It's Justin here with Car Culture. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. If you're new to the channel, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button right now. Got a lot more videos on the way, got a lot of Mustang videos on the way. Today's video is going to be short and sweet. I got some social media decals from Top Label. They do a lot of car and window decals. Specifically, I got a couple. That was long overdue. I add one of these to my car. So I just want to take you guys with the install process. Very straightforward. And then we'll see how the finished product turns out. First thing I'm gonna do is just grab a paper towel. You do this with essentially anything. You can do this with alcohol. I'm just gonna use water, budget friendly way. Squirt a little bit of water right here. I'm just gonna give a nice little wipe through the window right here. Just so that we can remove any excess dirt or anything so the sticker could stick. There we go. Let's look at that. Dry it off real quick. So when you're installing this, I like to take just a tiny piece of it out, just so you can kind of like get it ready, make it easier to peel. And right now, I'm just gonna see where I want it exactly. I don't know, what do we think? Right there? Right there? Right there? I'm gonna go right here. So I'm gonna peel it off right here, just like that. All right, put that up there. Very smoothly. There. Push it down. Just like that. This next step right here, it can be done with any kind of card, really. I'm just gonna use a credit card real quick. You just wanna smooth out all this stuff right here. All these little air pockets, just kind of smooth them out. Just to make the whole process of removing it easier. I like to start in the middle, or I like to start up top, go up, outwards, go down, right here. But like I said, this is a budget friendly way. Just kind of go down, push everything down, make sure everything's in. So one little thing to keep it on a little extra longer, I just like to pat it down with water, kind of give a wet layer all around. And make sure there's no air pockets. All right, now that it's been sitting for a bit, let's go ahead and try to peel it off. All right, you guys, there you guys have it. Shout out to Top Label for a quality product. Make sure you guys check them out. I'll be posting their website in the description. So we're gonna wrap it up. Just wanna keep this video short today, just give you guys a little clip of me installing that new sticker. With that being said, thank you so much for checking out another video. Like I said, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell, turn on those notifications, you guys. Thank you so much for helping me grow the channel. We're at 237 subscribers right now. Just trying to grow the channel little by little. Comment below, let me know what videos you guys want to see next. I have some ideas, but I accept all ideas. Give me some insight, tell me what you like, what you don't like. Just keep giving me feedback. I appreciate every little ounce of feedback from you guys. With that being said, thank you guys so much again. Take care, stay safe. I'll see you soon.